Hey everybody, James here, and today I want to see which knife is faster, Switchblade or assisted opening. Switchblade knife isn't legal throughout the United States. Only 38 states is this knife legal. This knife, on the other hand, spring assisted, also known as one-handed opening, is legal throughout all 50 states, with some restrictions depending on the state. But you can still have these throughout the United States. The Switchblade brand is Roster Fry. Don't know the model. This knife is the Kershaw Leak. And the reason why I want to compare them both is because they both have about the same blade length. So, in modern day, which is faster, the Switchblade or the spring assist? So before 2009, when the law passed that these knives, spring assisted, also known as one-hand opening, they were considered switchblades, but now they're not. So they are legal throughout the US. So now, let's see which one's faster at opening, the Switchblade or the one-handed opener. Well, it looked like they both opened up the same speed, didn't it? Well, let's slow it down even more. See if you can tell the difference. So it looks like there in the slow motion that the flipper spring assisted knife opens about 1.5 times faster because the Switchblade was still halfway opening. Now, here's another style of knife, which is basically just a regular pocket knife but with the flipper on it. If you get this down, you can open this pretty fast. So let's compare all three of the knives to see which one is the fastest. Regular knife, Switchblade, or spring assisted one-hand opening. Well, it seems like to me having a Switchblade isn't what it's all cracked up to be. When you can go to your local Walmart or sporting goods store and buy a cheap flipper that costs around $5 and get the same speed. But then you got a knife like this, spring assisted one-hand opening, that's legal in all 50 states, opens faster than any Switchblade that I know of. So the biggest difference here is you still have to put your hand or some type of part of your body on the blade itself to open it up. Switchblade has either a button or a latch or something like that that doesn't even contact the blade. So like I said, Switchblade, not that big of a deal if you can't have one. Spring assisted or faster anyway. So anyways guys, I appreciate you watching. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one, everybody. Thanks again.